I'm over at New Jersey Steel Baron and Baron Cutlery today. I'm having Dale over here make me a Damascus chef knife and a Damascus paring knife for my dad. He is putting together a cookbook, and I figured, well, if you're doing a cookbook, you should really have something special. I thought this would be a really cool video to share, see just how these things are made and what goes into it.
Up the temperature, we'll draw this billet out. We'll get it to about 3/8 of an inch, and then we'll pattern it. And then I'll draw that back out to about 1/8 of an inch. That'll be our finished thickness, and then we'll end up with kitchen stock at 110 after it's all clean and set and done.
So I stopped by New Jersey Steel Baron today to pick up the knives, which are finally done. So now we get to do the reveal and see what my dad thinks of it. Maybe I'll spark a little bit more interest in finishing up that cookbook at some point before the summer.
So we got some low layer Damascus here, there's about 30 layers where I put the X pattern into them. These are both from the same piece of steel, which is a first for me actually. Same wood, cut different ways to give it a little bit of a different feel on each knife. Got the carbon fiber bolster, and this has probably been my favorite build yet, and I think they came out great.
So you've been lagging with your cookbook a little bit. Yes, I have. Right, so we want to reinvigorate you to help get this done before the end of the summer. So this is for you to help ignite that spark again. Open it up.
Can I guess what it is?
No, just open it.
1, 2, 3. Ah, so, woo! Look at this. Yes, I'm invigorated. Look at that. What a beauty. Look at these beauties. I am excited. These are gorgeous. Thank you. All right, time to get going on the cookbook again. Bravo! Let's do it.
Mission accomplished. All right.